maybe you have a Jeep vehicle. Once you get inside, right where your left foot would be, you're going to come straight up from there. You're going to see this little picture of a vehicle with the hood open. You'll pull on that and you'll hear a pop in the front of the vehicle. Walk up to the front of the vehicle. So I'm going to lift up, put my hand in here, and I'm going to slide to the left. There's a little latch in there, and we'll just lift up. It's hydraulic, it'll go straight up. And there's your engine bay. Now that you have this engine bay open, if you need to add your brake fluid, it's kind of in a tricky spot. It's up here to the left. You're going to see this round little circle right here. So it's kind of sunny out today. And so this is way in the back. You're just going to grab this front tab and pull up, and there's where you will add your brake fluid. When you put this back on, you're going to make sure you get that slid into place, and then you want to make sure that it clicks down tight. To close it, all you're going to do is just reach up, grab it, pull it down, and you can just let it slam really hard and it'll close in one shot. And then lift up, always make sure that it's fully secure. Hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Arrgh.